Hello, welcome to today's market snapshot from LCG. It's a bit of an absence of economic data today. Probably the biggest one is going to be the oil inventories released from the US. And actually that coincides with a bit of a change in sentiment in oil markets at the moment. We've got a pattern potentially setting up in the price chart, which I'm going to show you on the Brent crude chart in just a moment. But OPEC, obviously the main game changer here in the oil markets, and it looks like compliance is going to improve quite substantially in March. Reuters is saying it's going to be 95% compliance with their agreed cuts. And so that's overweighing some of this worry where Saudi Arabia had increased production in February. Still, they're easily complying with what they had agreed upon, and Iraq remains the probably biggest non-compliant member of OPEC, but even they look to be improving their compliance in March. So that, in combination with some outages in Libya, so reduced supply just because of technical problems in Libya, and the better compliance in OPEC, actually sentiment in OPEC in the oil markets improving. So we're going to have a look and see whether today's data could be a game changer for the oil chart. So this is the daily candlestick chart for the Brent crude price, and as you can see, this was the consolidating pattern, the sharp slump down. But since then, we've tried to probe below that low a couple of times, and it's just failed to do so. Two false breakouts. So they were our first two signals that actually sentiment was turning around a little bit. We just didn't quite find the sellers to continue the trend. We've pushed up higher now, and so this is actually forming pretty much a double bottom pattern. We're right into the neckline of the pattern here. And as I said, we've got the data today. Perhaps that's the impetus to get us above this horizontal resistance. And if it was, then what we can typically do here is just use our Fibonacci to tell us where the 100% extension is. So this is looking a bit crowded. Let me turn down to the shorter time frame. Our Fibonacci is drawn every possible level on here. But the one we're looking for, in fact, is not present. Let me add it in. It's this 200% level. And actually that fits in quite nicely with the round number of about $55 a barrel on our Brent crude choice. So that's what we're potentially looking at here. If sentiment really has turned around, a bit more faith in OPEC, then we could be getting a double bottom breakout with a potential objective up at $55 a barrel. So that's it for our market snapshot today. We're obviously talking about the oil market. There's reduced supply in Libya, and OPEC compliance is looking better. And we've got US data, US inventories data coming out today. So any sign that US inventories are coming down could be the extra impetus the oil market needs to break out of a potential double bottom pattern here. Of course, if you do like these videos, please subscribe to LCG on our social media channels. Thanks.